Where is JB Noipi? What is the update? Kasi ang pinakahuli, wala pa daw. Anyari?
Nasa SDCA siya ngayon.
SDCA.
San
Galing.
Diego, California.
Ba't nandoon siya?
Enjoying the weather and according to my source, nag-chill-chill lang. And that's because may mga iniinda pa rin daw si Justin eh. Multiple
Oh, no.
injuries pa. Not one, not two, not three. Multiple injuries. So,
Okay.
so hindi siya pre-measure. They would, the SBP stacked on this is, they'd rather him come late healthy than to force him and, he's not ready.
Okay.
Malayo
I
pa
was
naman eh. Malayo pa naman ang game eh. So, there's time. And then, tinanong ko mismo si Coach Tim Cone eh. So, sabi, nag-usap kami sa telepono, I think 3 nights ago. So, sabi ni Coach Tim sa akin na, si Justin daw is a plug and play guy. Meaning to say, di na kailangan ng practice. Kasi, na niya eh, kabisado na yung sistema.
Wait a
And
second.
then, he also knows the personnel.
Right.
So, they
Okay,
gave him the benefit of the doubt na, sige, when you're ready, you fly in.
All right. I think Coach Tim Cone, I know Coach Tim Cone believed in Justin Brownlee.
Yes.
And I know he's a plug and play. Let me just say this first kasi marami kasi sinabi. I wanna react to this. It's not usual that I feel sad when someone is happy on a vacation. But when you first said that statement, nasa San Diego si Justin Brownlee, nag-enjoy ng weather habang ang mga Gilas Pilipinas ay nagpa-practice ng umuulan, bumabaha, parang unfair. Pero nung sinabi mo, nalungkot ako at naintindihan ko naman na multiple injuries, nakakaba naman yata yan. So, the question that I have next, even though naiintindihan ng Gilas Pilipinas management ni Coach Tim Cone and they're making sure that they're making sure na healthy siya. Why? Can he not be healthy coming over here? Parang mas mahirap yata yung adjustment pag nasa kabilang panig ng mundo siya. Pwede naman siya nandito at magpahinga. At least, nandito na siya. What do you think?
Well, binibigyan din, of course, pa. I mean, you're surrounded with your family. Iba din, di ba? Wala sa family mo. Tapos, hindi naman siya na, when I say enjoying the weather pa, hindi naman na nag-beach volleyball, nagmumoling. No, nagre-relax pa rin. It's just like trying to recover, rest and recover. Kasi alam mo naman si Justin, di ba? Year-round ang laro eh. Di ba?
That's correct. Yeah. Now, the next
Year-round.
question.
Yes.
The next question that I have, and I understand fully where you're coming from, but now I'm speaking to you as a coach and an analyst. I'll try to put my shoes on their shoes, or a doctor. When you said multiple injuries, and I'm not gonna ask what that is unless you wanna share. Kinabahan ako dun. How is Justin Brownlee gonna perform with just less than a month? Or a few more 2 weeks or 10 days with some injuries like this. How? I mean, is he going to be 100%, 90%? What kind of expectation or what kind of Justin Brownlee are we expecting to see?
Well, I close to 100%. Kasi hindi naman to talaga, when I say injuries pa, it's not like he's still suffering from it. Parang recovering from.
Kinabahan kasi ako sa sinabi mong multiple
including knee issues, ankle, hamstring.
Naku po, 3 na.
Yung isa talang natin pa. Withhold na lang natin, di ba? Pero alam mo naman, some knee injuries heal faster than others. Same thing with an ankle. So ganun lang talaga, pinapahinga lang si Justin. And if there's somebody who had earned the privilege na late lang ako darating niya, that's him. Ilang taon niyang binuhat yung Gilas, di ba? Tsaka Hinebra. So, it gave him the benefit of the doubt. Diyan ka muna. Total,